How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Now at the top left, you're gonna find your Bitmoji. Click on that. You'll be directed to the profile page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Bitmoji. Now click on the option Remove my Bitmoji. Click on Remove. Now click on the option Create my avatar. With that, your camera will open up. Now select an option below to begin, male or female. From here, you are able to select your gender. Now you will need to show your face. On the basis of that, you're gonna find different Bitmoji option. Select any of it. Then click on Continue. Your avatar is ready. Click on Choose Outfit. Now you can go through this process to customize your avatar. So this way you are able to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.